Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix your Cash App this transfer failed. So this occurs due to some reason, like when you're trying to transfer your money into Cash App, then basically it occurs if your bank is not allowing this transfer. So basically the bank is blocking your money from being transferred to Cash App. That's why it's showing you this transfer failed. So there's two ways to fix this problem. The first one is the easy method and the second one is the hard method. So let me tell you the easy method. So the easy method is to change your debit card, alright? So by that I mean you want to go to this house looking icon at the bottom over here. Now before moving forward, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos and find it helpful, and let's get right into the video now. So once you're over here, you want to scroll down and click on linked accounts, and once you click on linked accounts, you want to click on your debit card. Now once you click on your debit card, it's going to give you these three options. Now from this three option, you want to click on replace debit card and add a new debit card over here. And after adding a new debit card, and after entering a new debit card, try to transfer money or get money on your Cash App, then it's gonna work. Because this method works because basically your first bank was not allowing the money to transfer, so you want to add another bank, and that bank will allow it. All right, so basically it's a problem on your bank's end. All right, so the second option is basically if you don't have another debit card, then this option is just for you. The first thing you want to do is contact the bank, and you want to contact the bank with which your debit card is linked with, and you want to talk with the person saying like this is a valid app and you're trying to transfer money into it, so allow it. So you want to talk with them, and if they allow it, then basically what you want to do is you want to go to support at Cash App, which is the official email of Cash App for any trouble you get. So you want to email this email which is shown on your screen, support at cash.app. Now you come to this step only after you have contacted your bank person. All right, now after you contacted the bank person and they allow the transfer, you want to go to this email and you want to email them asking to reset your account and reset everything. And after they reset everything, you want to enter your debit card again, and then it will work. So the second process is a bit hard because it's a bit long process, because you want to contact your bank and then you want to contact Cash App again. So yeah, this is a bit long. So the easy way is replacing your debit card, so you can try to do that. So yeah, these are all the options on how you guys can fix it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then do subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.